Yeah, man, we still rep silent till, man. That's talk about. That's talk about. They got the whole girl Chester. World boss, where are you? I'm in Paris. Where are you? Don't you see me a laugh at trouble when I come out for the live.
Hey, what's up, guys? Big up on yourself. Welcome back to our next YouTube video. You see it? And you know what's the VYBZ KARTEL up on a live this morning, and I tell you guys, see them get jealous and tell them to come off a live. And guys, don't forget to like up the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, is it? I want to tell you, say, dog, big up some places like Christiana in Manchester, and then big up a Grand Spain and enough other places. You watch the full video, page Jah Jah another live, guys. You want to watch the full video, and don't forget to like up the video, you know. Out there.
Send Kids active, man. Big up Send Kids. Big up Send Kids. They got the girl, them clits and them tits and them lips.
Are you not gonna send it?
I gotta go.
You don't want me to open my mouth.
She a pray me people. I tell you, one burn a life hard, you know. Get to youth. See, one burn a life. Oh, we killing a daddy.
So my viewers and my subscribers, I want to tell you, say, somebody asked me if him now come back to Waterford. And this is what he said.
My town and my ground that. One Waterford. You hear that? No, I don't think me there Orlando. No. Not yet. But me there Miami again, but me not telling you to do it. As a dunce man said, just make it a late and don't be late. One dunce man. Yo. Yeah, man, the dog fully dunce man.
Make it a late, be dead.
Make it a late and don't be dead, in the words of the dunce man Jamal. Narwood, yeah man, big up Narwood. The whole St. James, you don't know that man. Know that man.
Nah, boy.
Big up my birthplace, Waterhouse. Don't know. Yeah, make big man scream like Angela, yes. Yes. Spain town, yeah man, you don't know, I want Spanish town, Spanish clown, you know. New Jersey, babe? Okay. Yeah. De La Vega, you don't know a thing, man. Edmonton. Oh, it's on the Vivo now? Yeah. People, woof. Me and Aishana, woof it out now on my Vivo. Yeah, VYBZ KARTEL Radio or VYBZ KARTEL Vivo. Any one of them, you can pop up. Bonjour. Bonjour to my French people. Je t'aime to the girls. Je t'aime. Oui, oui. Je m'appelle Kartel. Comment allez-vous? Comment t'appelles-tu?
Merci.
Yeah. No, merci en Spanish.
Alright. Comment t'appelles-tu that in Spanish?
No, that's French. Oh, yes, merci.
Yes,
merci beaucoup.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup, baby.
Yeah.
Yes, bonjour. Je m'appelle Kartel. Je m'appelle Kartel. I know merci is in French, baby. Comment allez-vous? J'habite Florida. J'habite Florida. I would say Jador. The perfume there. When I see that girl, they say Jador, I know it's a girl who adore, you know. You know them there? Look. That's how things set. We in Paris. Where are you? No, you see Kenya now. I want to come to Kenya so bad. So you got to tell the promoters. Tell the promoters in Kenya, say Kartel ready to come home. Yeah. Which girl that go buy a rack here? Lady. You lucky me at one burner, you know. Yeah, man, we still rep silent till, man. That's talk about. That's talk about. They got the whole girl Chester. No, the African, them out, you know, man. Big up Gambia, big up Kenya, Guinea-Bissau, Ghana, Djibouti. You know, them girls, they have the booty. Yeah, big up Vincy. Guadeloupe, me in your town, you know. But they are friends, you know. Me big up the whole Guadeloupe. Martinique. Yeah, man. Suriname, you know what I think go. Is me good? So them girls say, but you don't know them a liar. Big up Belize. Don't know. Saint Martin. The Dutch side and the French side. Saint Martin. Big up Sierra Leone. Big up Sierra Leone. That's some diamond them forward from. Fully out, man. Fully Gaza away, man. You hear that? We're outside. They're deaf. You know now? Big up Uganda. Big up my friend Claire from London, but she's Ugandan. What that woman I say? Oh, I never see what you say, babe. You say something about your son's birthday. Big up your son. Message him and move too fast. Yeah, we'll put up this. That's how I think them want to hear that. Fully we in France. We there Paris. So I go shell the place later. France. We there Paris. So I go shell the place later because it's sold out already. They got the early crowd and the roll out already. They roll out from Shirley tomorrow. Tomorrow I show down, bro. They are drink some tea, people. What time now in Paris? 4:43. Yeah, and I love Ghana. What about? Yeah, me like grab it door. Suck your nipple like a spliff for me a smoke. Serial killer, stab you in your throat. Uncle, I did there with your antidote. Oh, when you get the hood, you can go. If you're slippery when me bring rope, are you to make a throat? If I look for assistant, no man, the Grinch team fully assisting, man. I'm being assisted. But not by my sis, by my bros. Fully Gaza away. Guinea Conakry. South Sudan, big up on yourself. You mean, teach them same way, man. You hear that? Me a pen, no play a pen.
Your tops.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Do you see my message?
No.
Look at my message.
Oh no. Okay.
Go on, fucking go.
Yeah, man, let's send it now.
Let me see you send it. Double it.
Okay, babe. You put me under payments, you know, so I have to take out my body, you know. Wicked for me, you know. Man said, don't come on. Oh, God. Baby, my life is a drama, I say. Oh, listen me there, I smile. I don't know what I feel inside. Only you know. Yo, paper. Boy, wicked by me or somebody said don't run. Yo, Jano. Yo, Charge, I cheer even on, man. Jano. That's why I mean I can't key, you know, because I know me I get detention, you know.